Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make the ultimate gourmet hot dog. This is my special version of a loaded hot dog recipe using fresh baguette and flavorful chorizo. Think of it as a hot dog on steroids. So let's get cooking. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this gourmet recipe. First, we have 2 fresh baguettes cut right down the middle. Next, some crisp romaine lettuce and 2 tomatoes beautifully sliced and cut in half. Of course, you'll need your favorite sliced cheese, 1 large onion that we are going to caramelize later, and a pack of your absolute favorite chorizo. Simple ingredients, but together they make magic. Now, let's get cooking. I'm opening up the package and taking a fork to poke a few holes in each chorizo. Here's a pro tip for cooking chorizo. By piercing the skin, you allow the savory juices to release much easier, and more importantly, you prevent the chorizo from bursting or splitting due to the heat. It keeps them perfectly juicy. We turn on our pan and add a bit of that pork fat. I actually kept it in the fridge so it would solidify. As you can see, this fat is left over from the day I made homemade chicharrones, and it adds an incredible depth of flavor. By the way, if you haven't seen my crispy chicharrones video yet, make sure to check it out after this one. I'll leave the link below. Now let's get our chorizos into the pan to start cooking. One common issue when cooking chorizo is that they usually brown or toast only on the sides, making it really hard to get an even cook all around. Fortunately, I have a special trick to solve that, and I'm going to show it to you right now using the bistro cam. Take a close look. So we temporarily remove our chorizos, which are already browned on the sides, and place them on a cutting board or a plate. Next, take some wooden toothpicks and pierce them right through the middle or close to the edges, on the side where they are already toasted. So we can flip them and easily brown that missing area that wasn't touching the pan. By the way, if you're doing this on a barbecue grill, you can just use large skewers to control all of them at the same time. We keep cooking them on medium-low heat so they finish browning beautifully without burning, turning them constantly until they reach that perfect spot. Once done, remove them from the heat and set them aside in a bowl. Now, don't clean that pan. We are using all those delicious leftover juices and fat to caramelize our chopped onion. By the way, if you want to master my knife technique for chopping onions like a pro, make sure to check out my cutting tutorial video. Now let's toss our chopped onions straight into that flavorful pan. I'm adding a splash of olive oil and a sprinkle of sugar. This is a great kitchen hack to speed up the caramelization process. Make sure to keep stirring constantly until the onions become beautifully translucent. Personally, I love my caramelized onions cooked to a medium doneness, so they keep a little bit of texture. But feel free to cook them as long as you like to match your taste. With our caramelized onions set aside, it's time to assemble our masterpiece, our culinary Sistine Chapel, if you will. We start with our baguette already sliced down the middle. I didn't toast mine today, but that is completely optional if you prefer that extra crunch. First, let's spread a generous amount of mayonnaise on both sides. Next, we lay down a bed of shredded romaine lettuce on each side of the bread. Then, tomatoes go on one side and our delicious sliced cheese goes on the other. Right in the center, we pile up those sweet caramelized onions, and finally, our beautifully cooked chorizo. To finish it off, I'm adding a drizzle of yellow mustard and some barbecue sauce. But feel free to use whatever you love, whether it's Chick-fil-A sauce or my own homemade barbecue sauce. And there you have it. Look at these massive gourmet hot dogs. I actually made one without tomatoes because my wife isn't a fan of them. And you know what they say, happy wife, happy life, right? If you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. smash that like button and leave a comment below. Also, if you want to level up your game with amazing sauces or more quick comfort food recipes, go check out my custom sauce playlist or my fast food playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Ciao.